Introducing Thor's single inline A1M Slim, which is part of the Alpha range. This video will explain the benefits of the Alpha A1M Slim 3-pin mains model. The Alpha A1M is a filtered and protected single inline product. It has a class-leading 2,115 joules of surge protection and less than a nanosecond reaction time, which allows it to provide the strongest surge protection available for your equipment. There is a white LED that when lit shows there is power to the product. If the protection circuit becomes damaged, then an audible alarm sounds to signal the unit needs to be replaced. The A1M has slimline profile design to allow you to mount the unit behind a TV, even with a slimline bracket, or tucked away in a cabinet so that your valuable equipment is protected and its power is cleaned, but the unit is out of sight. The A1M has a flat plug on one end, which plugs into the wall socket and allows your equipment to be as close to the wall as possible. And on the other end is an Australian female mains socket, making this unit compatible with any plug-in device that you have. You can think of the A1M Slim like a 1.3 metre extension cord, but with class-leading protection and filtration. The Alpha range have flame-proof MOVs and a flame-retardant housing, so that in the event of a damaging surge, there is no chance of a fire starting and causing more damage to your house and equipment. Exclusive to the Thor Alpha A1M is our newly developed MSF, or mains super filter technology. The MSF is a big step above the standard Alpha filter and is aimed at ensuring only the cleanest power is delivered to your equipment and is similar to the filtration found in the premium Thor Apex range. This ensures maximum performance of your high-definition TV to deliver those true 4K pictures, reduce pixelation, streaming interruptions, reduce or remove hissing noise from speakers, and thumping from subwoofers or other similar performance-robbing problems. The Alpha A1M is suitable for any powered appliance and can also provide performance benefits like preventing programs freezing, error codes, or just stopping mid-cycle to other products, such as sewing machines, gaming consoles, robot vacuum cleaners, shavers, soundbars, and Bluetooth speakers, just to name a few. The Alpha range has a 6-year product warranty and a 3-year $100,000 connected equipment warranty, giving you maximum peace of mind knowing that your equipment is protected. Thor Technologies is an Australian company who produces premium, innovative power protection and filtration products. We control the whole process and make products from concept and design using the expertise of Australian and New Zealand engineers to creation and distribution of shelf-ready products. Some of our products have patents, and we are recognised as leading edge in our industry. We have been focusing solely on power protection and filtration since our inception in 2001. For more information, please head to our website www.thortechnologies.com.au.